Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog. Bet you couldn't tell with the new background. Yes, thoughts turn to spring, and we recently just had daylight savings time go into effect, and extra time, daylight time, sunlight. I'm loving it. And spring is the time of year where there's new leaves on the trees, new flowers are growing. It's about newness. So to try something new, with that in mind, I figured why not try a new subscription box? So I'm going to introduce a box that I've been on the waiting list for like forever, was waiting a long time to finally get in and try, and I'm so glad, just so happened with the spring, that I was able to get the latest box. And this is from Trendmood. So I'm looking for a card. I don't really see one. If I come across one, I will let you know. Sometimes it's nice to get a card, a play card that says what the products are and what the prices are. But if it doesn't, this is my first time reviewing Trendmood. I will post the prices somewhere on the screen as I normally do. And if you don't see anything here, I'll try to remember to put it in the description box below. But if I don't, please let me know in the comments if I'm remiss on anything, okay? Thank you. All right, so without further ado, I'm just gonna pick up the first thing. I noticed there's a lot of yellow, bright color. I think daisies already with spring. And the first, I'm gonna put on my reading glasses so I can see what I'm reading. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's see what, ooh, wait, there's something else that's yellow in here. This is a little, ooh, maybe it, okay, maybe that's just the packaging. Ooh, okay, so then there's this. Oh, I don't know what happened, but but it's still smiling, so that's nice. And this reads blast off. So let's read what these instructions have to say. What's in here? Another thing from Starface. So apply to clean, dry skin, leave on overnight or 6+ hours for best results. Lift off in the morning and replace with a new star if you want. So it reads as an ingredient, hydrocolloid dressing. Interesting. All right, again, we'll put that better description on here, but it comes with a card, so let's see what the card says. Starface is here to make you feel positively cute about caring for your skin with effective dermatologist-approved products that treat acne with kindness. So if you have problem skin or flare-ups, hormone changes, you know, then you totally understand this. So it's interesting. So the first step is to use the swab. They actually have a step program here. It's 4 steps. The first step is to use the swipe, gently to snap a clean swipe along the yellow line, and they show the instructions here on how to do it. And then you allow the disinfectant solution inside to travel down the wand. Also, it does have something, so it's a super Q-tip. Okay, and then step 2 is to apply the swab you swipe across any and all spots in need of a quick clean. So anything, you know, like a little whitehead, a little blemish, a little pimple. There you go. The third step is to allow skin to completely dry and then apply the Hydro Stars, which I think is this. And it feels like it might be a skin mask. I don't want to take it out because then, you know. So then finally, smooth a big little blob of moisture on Mars, which is this, onto clean skin. There's a final step. There is. Wow, like a whole step skincare? I was not expecting that in one box. And then it says for step 5, feel cute and remove your Hydro Stars in 6+ hours. Ta-da! I will not demonstrate it here now. I'm just unboxing this, but I will have an upcoming video where I will walk through the steps and clearly demonstrate how it works. That will be a separate video. Check out for that soon. But I love that they give a step-by-step, and they also offer a certain percent coupon for those who have bought the box. So, okay. M Cosmetics, EM. I don't know if I've heard of them. And the first of their products is in this lovely box right here. And this is called True Gloss Volumizing Lip Gloss. And I guess they give the color name there. But again, I can barely see the writing on this. Faded Clementine. Ooh. It's a very, kind of gives you an image like, faded Clementine. All right. So now I'm just gonna remove this from the box and see. This is the packaging right there. M Cosmetics, EM. Simply the packaging looks like a smoked glass effect, but it is plastic. Now I'm gonna see if I can open this. Does it have a scent? Let's see. Okay, first of all, it has a flat applicator, like a paddle. I think I smell a little of that cake smell, so if you're allergic to any fragrance, this may not be for you, but I'm gonna try it. This color looks really nice. It's sort of like an adobe color, like a clay, a red clay kind of color, reddish brown. I really shouldn't talk while I'm applying lipstick, but I do. Yeah. It definitely has a bit of a cake smell, but I don't mind it. But I know it's prevalent in a lot of lips products, but oh, that color is pretty. Yes. Nice. It goes on nicely. It feels almost like a gloss. It feels very light. And it has good pigmentation, and it sort of comes close to my natural lip color, so I like it. What is this? This is called Venetian Rose, but this is their Color Drops Serum Blush, also from M Cosmetics. It's so cool to be trying out products that I really don't see often, or I've never heard from. It's always exciting. This is the bottle. Isn't that cute? I think I've seen the bottle, but I don't know if I don't have anything from this brand, not like this. So this is really cool. And I don't want to press down on this just yet. I want to wait till I open it because I'm not sure how this works. So we're gonna go slowly with it together. It looks similar, a bit darker than the lip, but it kind of matches, right? Yeah. So that's the, okay, I've seen these before. I guess if you push down on this, the stuff will come out. So let's see if I push. I'm afraid to push because I don't want it to squirt too hard. Okay. Yeah. Oh, cool. Okay, so I guess I'll put a little here and a little here. I'm gonna put less on that side than I did on that side. Does this have a scent, you wonder? No. No, not really. I don't smell anything. I don't smell like candy or cake or anything, so that's good. So I guess the application goes that I just, or maybe I use a sponge to sort of, oh wow. This carries quite a color punch. A little goes an extremely long way. So I'm just, this feels nice. It doesn't feel gooey or goopy. Just a little dot and you just work it away. It probably will do wonders with a makeup sponge. The only thing is that makeup sponges tend to absorb more than anything else. So maybe just with your fingers, just work it in. And there you go. It looks fabulous. I look sun-kissed. La la la. Love it. Wow, it's like, what? Like, this is amazing. Here is from Caloray, and it reads, come hell or high water. And what is this supposed to be? Clean mascara. Ooh, and the emphasis says zero smudge, and it's volumizing and curling, ultra volume. Nice. Okay. So it says zero smudge and life proof, it reads on that one side. And then it says volumizes, curls, and conditions. And the last part here, it says easy roll-off removal. Interesting. How can it be zero smudge and life proof, but at the same time it's easy to take off? Have I heard of this brand? Calorie? I don't know. But they give a before and after on here as far as the look. You saw that? This is what it looks like in the container. If I open it, I have to start using it. Should I open it? Why not? Why not? Life is short. Let's try it. So I like the packaging, but you know, again, it's similar packaging to a lot of mascara brands that I've seen out there. But it's cute. I like the pink on the is it blue or silver? Probably blue. So let's open. Okay, it's not a curved brush, but a long pipe cleaning type of look. Typical, but there's no curve to it. I get like a chemical scent. Okay. But at least it doesn't smell like a fragrance of cake or candy or cookies or cherries or whatever they want to call it. But because while I don't mind the smell, I don't like it in every product I have. Okay, so I'm just going in with this right now. And if it curls, then the assumption is if you're giving that claim, I shouldn't have to use a curling wand in order for this to get done. What did Trendmood in their infinite wisdom decide to put in their package? It's something from Biosense, and this is the Squalene and Omega Repair Cream. What? Skincare, gotta love it. So far I got a lot of skincare options, and a lipstick, and mascara, and a blush, which is basically a complete look right there. I have a face in the box. Skincare taken care of, mascara, lipstick, because if I really wanted to go all out, yeah, eyeshadow, the whole 9 yards, a highlighter. But just for a simple, clean look, fresh skin, hydrated, protected, cleansed with makeup, bare minimum, mascara, lipstick, blush. Hey, what more could a girl ask for, possibly? So here is the next thing. I know I'm rambling. I'm like so excited. I want to see what this packaging is. I've heard of the brand Biosense, but I wonder if I've ever gotten this. I'm just gonna look in it, take a peek. All right, so here's a little book that they give you, all serious. And this reads, clean, conscious, high performance. And then I like that. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's glass, by the way. Hear that? That's glass. I'm gonna open this, and it has a little tab there to keep it protected so it's not mushing around all the place, which I like. Okay, this is thick and delicious. Oh, it has a weird scent. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I feel about this scent. It smells marine-like. Almost, dare I say it, fish, like marine. Like, will I be trying this as a night cream? Definitely. Is it worth the price, this box? I would say okay. I'll put the price somewhere here. Considering that there's some brands, I haven't heard of a couple of these brands. So I'm intrigued, especially that 3-step skin product. Again, I will definitely be posting a video sometime later, look out for it, which will showcase the 3-step program on this, because I am curious about that, most definitely. Well, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure. I think I'm intrigued to see if I can get another box. I don't know if they're monthly or so. I'll post the information here. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing. This time, my first time with Trendmood, and I hope to see you on my next video. But before you do that, if you haven't clicked the like button, please do. And hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching my latest video. Welcome spring, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe.